Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in Toyota Prius 2011, and this car comes with a standard factory radio before, and at this moment it's already been fitted with the full HD anti-glare super night vision reverse camera, and also we select the high-end option reverse camera to make sure it looks like factory fit at the back end of the car. And it comes with a 9-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple Carplay, wireless Android Auto premium setup, and it is fitted with a dual microphone, which one of them is here right over there, one of them is inside the glove box. And yes, steering wheel control fully connect, all of those buttons connect well into the new system. And now come out and have a look where the reverse camera, the one that we fit like the block of the car, and it looks like factory fit. Okay, so that is the camera, and it is fully adjustable. So just have a look at how the system is running. It's beautiful, it's smooth and very easy to use, and very straightforward. Now let's say we reverse, and oh no, we need to start the car, and then we reverse. Yep. Okay, so you can see that camera is extremely clear and detailed and super sharp. Yep, that's where you hear the system running. Okay, so that is Toyota Prius 2011, and we'd like to say thank you again for watching. So we'll see you on the next one.